Today we will learn animals and their young one's name. First, dog. Dog's young one is called puppy. Dog, puppy. Cat. Young one of cat is called kitten. Cat, kitten. Elephant. Young one of elephant is called calf. Elephant, calf. Next, horse. Young one of horse is called foal. Horse, foal. Lion. Young one of lion is called cub. Lion, cub. Next, tiger. Young one of tiger is called tiger cub. Cow. Young one of cow is called calf. Cow, calf. Sheep. Young one of sheep is called lamb. Sheep, lamb. Giraffe. Young one of giraffe is called calf. Giraffe, calf. Hippopotamus. Young one of hippopotamus is called calf. Hippopotamus, calf. Chicken. Young one of chicken is called chick. Chicken, chick. Monkey. Young one of monkey is called infant. Monkey, infant. Next, donkey. Young one of donkey is called foal. Donkey, foal. Next, deer. Young one of deer is called fawn. Deer, fawn. Next, pig. Young one of pig is called piglet. Pig, piglet. Next, duck. Young one of duck is called duckling. Duck, duckling. Next, kangaroo. Young one of kangaroo is called joey. Kangaroo, joey. Next, goat. Young one of goat is called kid. Goat, kid. Next, bear. Young one of bear is called cub. Bear, cub. Next, rabbit. Young one of rabbit is called kittens or kids. Rabbit, kids. Next, zebra. Young one of zebra is called foal. Zebra, foal. Next, wolf. Young one of wolf is called pup. Wolf, pup. Next, camel. Young one of camel is called calf. Camel, calf. Next, penguin. Young one of penguin is called chick. Penguin, chick. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.